to my sister's channel, and I'm going to be showing you how to make glue with one kind of glue, and it is sticky glue, sticky glue and all purpose. So we're going to be making glue with this one, and leave a comment below which one do you want me and my sister do next, and let's get started. So sorry about that, but we're going to be using a mixing bowl. You're gonna need borax water. So and something to mix with. Let's get started. Okay, so I have the glue. I'm gonna pour it in. So I don't know if you can see that. But this is from the Dollar Tree, and this makes really good slime. So my sister's gonna put the food coloring. So hold on. Okay, so my sister put some in there. I'm just gonna stir the glue into the food coloring. And hold on, we're gonna be back when we're done. So we're back. And the color's like kind of grayish, brownish in the lighting. So we're gonna be right back when we pour the borax in. So we're starting off with a little bit.
And I'm the camera person.
So you see it on my spoon. We're gonna be right. Hold it. We're gonna be right back when we need it. Okay. Okay. So I have it in my hands. It's a little bit gooey, but you have to let it be used to your hands. Okay. Okay. Put it on. Oh, sorry about that. Cause I was trying to.
I had to zoom it in.
Okay. So sorry. And my hands are nasty. And I'm going to put a little bit of borax on it. Not too much. Okay, so.
I don't know if you could
see it? Can you see that? It's all over my hands. But once you get used to it, you get a wet towel.
Put the glue right here on the.
So we just there's water right here. Oh my gosh, this is like sticky, guys. I'm so sorry, but it's so sticky. If you try this at home, have a parent do it with you or something, because this is sticky.
So she's gonna be back when it's all off her fingers.
So I'm done with it off of my hands. You just have to handle it, and
we're gonna put more brown in it.
Okay, so we're gonna be back. Okay, so we put the food coloring in there. I don't know if you can see it, but now we're just gonna close it. So.
There's some on the table.
Oh. Just mix that in because the table's brown. You can't even tell. It looks like water.
Let me see the top.
Whoa. Now I'm just gonna be. Hold on. Okay, so here it is. It's like a brownish little bit right there. Can you see that? It's right there. Okay, so I mixed it in. Now I got it off of the table. Could you see that? Yeah, so I got it off of the table. And it's not that stretchy because it's not Elmer's glue. But yeah, and my sister made a homemade slime. Oh. So let me show you what it is, okay?
I'm gonna need this for her again because this is like galaxy gray because it's like swirls of brown.
So my sister made this, and I made one that is purple, right?
Yeah, she made like a purplish brown.
Yeah, but my sister's playing with it, and if we take it away from her, she's gonna start crying.
Yeah, it's my little sister.
Yeah.
And then my little sister made green
Yeah,
slime
but
like that.
yeah, but hers is like she made like
Hers is more puffy and like
yeah she
neon
made like
green.
this much. And we made more.
You can also put this in foil. And so you think we're not lying? Well, we have foil here, and then we're just gonna put it in. Any kind, it doesn't matter. It could be cheap. It could
be any kind, any
Yeah,
kind,
and then I
any
wrapped it
foil. So we wrapped it in
the
there.
foil.
And we're gonna take it out,
And then
so you
take
guys
it
can
out.
see.
And then see, it doesn't stick. So my sister put her slime in there.
So you can see hers it makes sound. See that? See that? And on the back it's just like smooth. Okay, so we're gonna get that to her. And mine is not that soundish. So we're gonna show you how it sounds. Okay? So we're just gonna press it down. Sorry. Just press it down and
Okay, so we're gonna end this video. So please like, subscribe, and comment. And if you subscribe, we'll probably make another
glue.
slime video with
So
her,
after we're gonna make a little bit of slime with our clear
one.
glue.
So go ahead and go check that out because it's very interesting and fun. And yeah, so thank you guys, and remember to love yourself. Bye.